If we have the expression 6 divided by 3 over 4 times 2 to the power of 2, then what is the simplest possible solution for this expression? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question may seem very simple, but almost everyone gets tricked. Let's break it down and solve it together. In the first step of solving this question, most people go straight to the exponent, which is 2 squared, and simplify the whole expression to 6 divided by 3 over 4 times 4. And the next step, they usually focus on the expression 3 over 4 times 4, because they believe multiplication has priority over division. As you can see in the image, they very easily cancel out the 4's and rewrite this expression as 6 divided by 3, which ultimately gives them the answer 2. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We should proceed these operations exactly as it's written from top to bottom step by step. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this problem, we have a division sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally exponent. According to the PEMDAS rule, we should start with the exponent, because in this question, the exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 6 divided by 3 over 4 times 4. In the next step, we handle the division and multiplication. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing these operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 6 and 3 over 4. Okay, whenever we see a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is, C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 6 times 4 over 3. Alright, as you can see on the screen, the number 6 simplifies with the 3 in the denominator, and this expression simplifies to 8 multiplied by 4, which finally gives us the answer 32. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.